Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji, Her Excellency the President of Trinidad and Tobago, Christine Carlo Kangalal, Honorable Governor Dr. Hari Babu Kumbhampati ji, Honorable Minister External Affairs Dr. S. Jaishankar ji, Honorable Union Ministers Sri Dharmendra Pradhan ji, Sri Prahalad Joshi ji, Sri Joel Oram ji, Sri Ashwini Vaishnav ji, Honorable Union Ministers of State Sri Shobha Karan Laje ji, Kirti Vardhan Singh ji, Sri Pavitra Marghe Rita ji, Honorable Deputy Chief Minister Sri Kanak Vardhana Singhdeu ji, Honorable Deputy Chief Minister Srimati Prabhati Parida ji, friends from Indian diaspora, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. प्रवासी भारतीय दिवस के शुभ उद्घाटन के अवसर पर मैं दूर देशों से आए हुए हमारे सभी प्रवासी भारतीय मित्रों को स्वागत करता हूं। माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी, आज इस ऐतिहासिक क्षण में आप वहां स्वयं हमारे प्रवासी भारतीय मित्रों के साथ उपस्थित हैं। मैं आपकी गरिमामय उपस्थिति को स्वागत करता हूं। आपके आने से यहां दिल की दस्तानों पर रोशनी ही रोशनी है। ओडिशा के लिए आपका प्यार और अपनापन के लिए हम सब आपके आभारी हैं। I also thank Her Excellency the President of Trinidad and Tobago, Christine Carla Kangaloo, for joining us as chief guest on virtual platform. My dear brothers and sisters from different parts of the world, as we know, this year's theme of Pravasi Bharatiya Divas is Diaspora's contribution to a Viksit Bharat, which recognizes and celebrates the contributions of Indian diaspora in building a Vikasit Bharat in the Amrit Kal. Today, I bring greetings from our beautiful land of Odisha, a land steeped in heritage, culture, and endless possibilities. Odisha is the home of Jagannath culture, a state where devotion and diversity blend seamlessly. From the architectural magnificence of the Sun Temple in Konark to the spiritual grandeur of Jagannath Temple in Puri, our land is a testament to timeless traditions. The state of Odisha is a holistic hub of diversified cultures and historical excellence, where we weave dreams in eyes and paste hues of harmony in hearts. Odissi, one of the oldest classical dance forms of India, and the intricate art of Patachitra continue to enchant the world, keeping our cultural identity alive. The world-famous handloom fabrics of Sambalpur is one of our most cherished and vibrant traditions. Our handloom tradition stands as a testament to the creativity and artistry of our people. Beyond its heritage, Odisha is a treasure trove of natural beauty. Asia's largest brackish water lagoon, the Chilika Lake, the scenic beaches of Puri, Chandipur and Gopalpur, the lush green forests of Simlipal, the hills of Koraput and waterfalls of Keonjhar offer a glimpse of nature's magnificence. I would like to urge all of you to explore nature's secrets in Odisha and take a bit of Odisha along with you. I am sure that you will discover the endless beauties of nature that is mingled with the melodies of ecstasy. Here, we firmly believe in the motto of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, which means the whole world is our family. It is such a land where hospitality is a sacred tradition and its long and rich history ever tells the heartwarming saga of love and sanctity. But friends, Odisha is not just about its glorious past and natural beauty. It is a land of limitless opportunities for the future. Today, Odisha stands as one of the most investor-friendly states in India. Our rich mineral resources drive key industries, while our IT, agro-processing and renewable energy sectors are rapidly growing. Odisha has created a niche for itself for climate, resilient agriculture and keeping of its youth. The world-class sports infrastructure that we have created is testament to our commitment to excellence. Odisha is building on its maritime legacy by developing ports and shipping corridors to connect with Southeast Asia, enabling faster trade and reducing logistics costs for global businesses. With world-class infrastructure, investor-friendly policies, and a young skilled workforce, Odisha is the perfect destination for business and entrepreneurs. Odisha is at the center of the Purvodaya vision of Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji. With the guidance of Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji, the golden period of Odisha's journey of development has already started. I heartily invite you all to explore these opportunities and contribute to the growth and prosperity of your homeland. As members of the global Indian diaspora, you are our ambassadors to the world. I invite you to join hands with us in shaping a bright future for Odisha and India as well. Together, we can realize the Viksit Bharat by 2047, the vision of our Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji. Before concluding, I convey my deepest gratitude to Honorable Prime Minister of India Sri Narendra Modi ji for providing us this platform to take Odisha to global forum through our diaspora. I once again welcome you all to the land of Lord Jagannath. Thank you all. Vande Utkal Janani, Bharat Mata ki Jai.
तेरे एभली किसी गुरुत्वपूर्ण खबर देखा चाहती आम चैनल को लाइक सब्सक्राइब और शेयर करो।